Deutsches Auto Service Center Overview. Das Center is a fully equipped, state-of-the-art automotive workshop located in Dubai Al Qouz 3. We specialize in the diagnosis, repair and maintenance of all high-end European vehicles, such as Mercedes Benz, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Range Rover, BMW, Porsche, RollsRoyce, Bentley, Mini and the VAG-Group. We use only OEM standard parts, and that center has access to all the latest software and hardware updates directly from Europe, allowing us to offer complete technical support on most vehicle systems. We will repair your car according to the manufacturer's service and repair protocol to ensure that your vehicle is maintained correctly and performing at its best. We are a true dealer alternative with timely repairs and cost-effective solutions for your vehicle. Click the link below to schedule your appointment with us today.